Okay, 6, 7 accelerated math educators. This video is provided to you to share one of my favorite digital tools to support Unit 1 on number sense. So in your curriculum document, if you scroll down past stage 1 and past stage 2 into stage 3, you'll see this link to a digital tool called Polypad from Mathagon. Now there is an app available, but I'm going to access it on the web, and either way will work. But I want to show you how to utilize Polypad to demonstrate or extend thinking around some of the properties. So the big idea around the properties of addition and multiplication is equality. So I'm going to use this balance scale. And I'm going to ask, how might we use a balance scale to demonstrate that 2 times 7 is the same as 7 times 2? This can also be read as 2 groups of 7 are the same as 7 groups of 2. Now, this is the commutative property of addition. And to show this with math tools, 2 groups of 7 might look like this. So this is 2 groups of 7, and we want to say that's equal to 7 groups of 2. There's 3, there's 5, and there's 7 groups of 2. So here we can see that 2 groups of 7 is the same as 7 groups of 2, and that demonstrates the commutative property of addition. Another property that we can demonstrate is the distributive property. So I'll use the balance scale again because we really want to focus on equality here. And say I want to demonstrate the distributive property. I want to show that 3 times 2 plus 4 is the same as 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4. Again, this is the distributive property. So 3 groups of 2 plus 4 might look like this. There's 1 group of 2 plus 4. Here is 2 groups of 2 plus 4 and 3 groups of 2 plus 4. And we want to show that that's equal to 3 groups of 2 plus 3 groups of 4. And that balance scale shows that these are equal. That 3 groups of 2 plus 4 is the same as 3 groups of 2 plus 3 groups of 4. If I want to demonstrate that -6 plus 6 equals 0, or the inverse property of addition, I'm going to use the balance scale again, and I'm going to show that -6 plus 6 is the same as 0, and that demonstrates the inverse property of addition. So I encourage you to consider using Polypad from Mathagon to have challenge your students to demonstrate or model different properties of addition and multiplication. Push their thinking a little bit and have them make connections between the equivalence of a balance and examples of the properties.